Hello, I'm Giacomo. I came here from Milan today.
Cyprus.
Sweden, Stockholm.
Providence, Rhode Island.
San Diego.
Netherlands.
En France.
Belgium.
Cyprus.
Turkey. Germany.
Qatar.
We came here to look into the system 3E, how awesome it is. We're very impressed how fast you can build.
En France, il y a un engouement pour l'autoconstruction et je pense que ça peut ça peut être une solution à ce genre de projet. Il y a de plus en plus de personnes qui se lancent dans l'autoconstruction.
I was impressed by the time efficiency, how quickly you can build the walls. We have recently more and more challenges to find skilled workers to build walls. And the second thing is the pressure, the short delays that we have to finish projects. I think this system can help.
The simplicity of the construction, you can learn how to do it very quickly. You can assemble your own house, you can do it very efficiently, so it's a great idea.
Middle East is one of the area which is concerned of the heat. You have too much heat, especially when they done a trial, they're putting heat and other side is completely cool, which is a little bit make me happy with the project.
Ja byłam pod wrażeniem z kolei produkcji, całej organizacji tego wszystkiego. Bardzo to wygląda wszystko profesjonalnie i wyglądacie na takich, co można zaufać.
This is a very clever system. I think it's going to be solve many problems with the workers, most of the return farm workers.
You don't need very skilled people anymore to build a house, so you can start building any time. So that's, I think, the most important things.
I think it's good for the future to save money and to build very quick. And what is the most important thing is it's safe from wind, from temperature, isolation, and what we hear in your information. It's very interesting, yeah.
The most important part is the material, which is very natural, which is for the footprint very good. So there would be a lot of houses built by this. It would be wonderful.
You have a true prefabricated system which can be followed by medium skilled people, and you have also the insulation in as a bonus.
I'm very happy to see here the produce. It's been amazing to see how this out in the back came up in literally just 5-10 minutes. Obviously it's not finished, but it's impressive to see the height that we have reached. Very happy with the team and very happy with the potential of this company.
Senior Manager of Environment at Hamad International Airport, of the best airport in the world. So also we are considering from that perspective to look to the latest technologies, materials available on the market. At the same time, I'm coming here to build my home. And if this succeeds, maybe this is also a good opportunity for your company to open a factories locally in Qatar.
I'm Peter from England, and the self-build market will be really happy to see something like this where in less than a week they can build their dream home. Thank you.